Every trade you make is being whispered to. Not by a person,
but by a ghost in the machine. A shadow advisor you never hired. It's called algorithmic bias, the silent killer of 2026 portfolios. What if the tools designed for profit are actually steering you away?
AI doesn't think. It remembers.
It learns from a past. That was never truly fair.
old biases never die. They just get automated. Transforming old prejudices
into high-speed code. The bridge between eras.
Point is built on flawed data.
Information flows like a river.
But the water is poisoned. Garbage in.
Systemic failure out.
Automation scales inequality.
A million trades a second. Feeding a machine that.
Doesn't care about your risk.
This is the invisible hand.